You're looking at a 2016 Mercedes Benz GLC300 4Matic with 80,000 miles. Comes loaded with the ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, blind spot monitors, panoramic roof, LED lights. Has 80,000 miles. It is all-wheel drive. Car's in excellent shape. Backup camera, premium audio, full power options, memory seats, heated seats, leather interior, the push start, the smart system, backup cam, air conditioning, dual zone climate control, CD, MP3. Nice clean car. Previous owner traded in for a Tesla. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.